Hey, it's Anna from For Real. Why is your iPad still locked when every fix you've tried keeps failing? That expensive tablet on your desk shouldn't be a paperweight. I've spent months analyzing how these security barriers function, and I've discovered a reliable permanent method to regain full control of your device. This works on any iPad model, regardless of your OS version. Everything you need to regain access to your account is coming up right after this. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute professional or legal advice. Always follow manufacturer terms and official support procedures. Be aware of third-party bypass tools as they are often ineffective, misleading, or pose significant security risks.
With that out of the way, you can look into a reliable tool called Unlocksy if you need a direct way to handle an activation lock. You can use this platform to remove iCloud locks from your iPhone, iPad, or even your Mac from any country. Start by turning your device screen off and back on, then tap the small I icon in the corner. Write down the IMEI or serial number you see there. You will need to create an account on the Unlocksy site and open their specific Unlock app. Choose your device type and enter your serial number to begin. Each request requires 50 coins, but you can get a better deal by hitting the join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes access to receive a voucher for 100 coins immediately. This saves you from buying expensive individual credits. Once you submit the request, check the dashboard to track the progress. Your phone will reconnect to the servers and let you finish the setup process. If you'd rather not go through the process yourself, you can optionally send a super thanks of $5 or more. We'll handle the submission on your behalf. Just leave your IMEI in the comments so we can proceed. This is completely optional and only for those who want a bit of extra help.
To understand why your iPad seems permanently frozen, stop thinking of it as a standalone piece of hardware. It's actually part of a global network. When the iPad connects to Wi-Fi, it performs a cryptographic handshake with Apple's global activation servers. Think of your iPad as being inside a walled garden. The hardware serial number is checked against these servers, which identify the specific Apple ID currently linked to the device's Find My status. When you see the activation lock screen, you aren't fighting the glass or the software. You are fighting a digital vault. Even if you factory reset the device, it remains tethered to Apple's servers if it wasn't signed out of Find My properly. The device asks the cloud, "Who is my owner?" And until it receives the correct digital key, it refuses to grant access. If you search for iPad unlock without computer, you'll find endless videos promising magic apps that claim to bypass the server. Let's be clear, these bypass tools are scams. They are designed to harvest your personal data or infect your device with malware. Here is the technical reality. No app, regardless of how convincing its interface looks, can force an iPad to bypass the activation server. The lock isn't just a software setting. It is a cryptographic handshake enforced by Apple's servers that verify your serial number in real time. If an app claims to hack this, it is lying. Installing these programs is dangerous, as they can compromise your personal data while failing to unlock your device. You are essentially handing the keys to your personal accounts to anonymous developers. Don't waste time on software that can't reach the vault. Before you attempt a recovery, we must diagnose why your iPad is locked. Not all locks are created equal, so look closely at the screen. If you see a message stating the device is in lost mode, including a custom note, you are dealing with a device reported missing. In this case, the original owner must remove it via Find My. There is no workaround for a device explicitly flagged as lost. Conversely, if the screen simply asks for an Apple ID and password, you are likely dealing with forgotten credentials. If you bought this iPad brand new from an authorized retailer, you have a high probability of regaining access. However, secondhand units are different. Remember, account recovery is strictly for the owner. You cannot perform recovery for an account you do not own. You must rely on the previous owner. If you've forgotten your own credentials, stop looking for hacks and start the official recovery process. You don't need your own machine for this. Borrow a friend's iPad. Open Safari and navigate directly to forgot.apple.com. This is the only secure portal authorized by Apple to verify your identity and regain account access. Input your Apple ID, and the system will guide you through identity verification. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, have your trusted phone number ready. By providing these details, you prove to Apple's servers that you are the rightful owner. Once verified, you will be prompted to reset your password. After confirming your new credentials, you have two options. Use them at the activation lock screen Or sign in to iCloud.com on your friend's device. From there, navigate to Find My and remove the locked iPad from your account list. Note that for the lock to clear, the iPad must be online. If it remains offline, you may need to perform a factory reset once the server-side removal is confirmed. This is the only way to regain control safely. If you've exhausted the recovery portal and are still staring at that locked screen, it's time to stop chasing online hacks and use the official channel. This is the final, legitimate path to regaining access. If you are the original owner, Apple can remove the lock from their servers. However, they will strictly require verifiable proof of ownership. Keep your original purchase receipts ready when you contact official Apple support. Before initiating a request, gather your documentation. You must have the original dated sales receipt from an authorized Apple retailer. This document must clearly display the iPad's serial number. If you bought the device secondhand, please understand that Apple generally rejects private party receipts. They only accept official proof of purchase from an authorized retailer. Instead of a general support call, navigate directly to al-support.apple.com. This is the dedicated activation lock support request portal. Fill out the form with your serial number and upload your documentation. Once verified, Apple will remotely clear the lock, allowing you to set up your iPad as new. Stay legitimate. It's the only way to ensure your hardware remains functional. The reality is simple. Your iPad's security is designed to be an impenetrable digital vault, not a bug to be bypassed. This ecosystem sandbox is exactly what keeps your data safe, which is why those bypass hacks are nothing but dangerous scams. The only way to regain access is by verifying your ownership through Apple's official channels, either by recovering your Apple ID or providing valid proof of purchase. Don't waste time on software that risks your privacy. Stick to the official path to keep your iPad functional. Subscribe to ROF's Real for more honest tech advice.